All right, it's Thursday afternoon, the 5th, and it's warming up here for a couple days. As you all can feel, and look at that green grass already growing. I'm about 9 miles away from Pingree Park. Drove up here today to look at some of the fire area and see how it was doing after the snow on the south slopes has melted off. And there you go, we have green grass already, folks. So I know folks see the black, and our minds sort of teach us that black means that something's been burnt and that burn is bad. But this landscape has grown up with fire. All landscapes really have. Fire moves across the mountain west as part of its natural cycle. Grasses get burned, yes, but they get reinvigorated quickly. And this will be the same whether you're over in Rocky Mountain National Park or on private property. Often ranchers, as you know, and farmers, they will burn off their fields in Colorado. And when you live in those areas and you drive back after a rainstorm, they do look real nice and lush. So here we are in the background, we have some burn intensity, and on these meadows we're already seeing that fresh green grass growing. It'll get buried by snow for the winter, but those seeds and those roots, they're in there and they pop back up. They have already replaced some of these power poles in here. So this is a decommissioned power line you're seeing in the foreground, a brand new power pole up there and all the way down to Pingree. There's new power in. There's a generator running near Lazy D to help it out, but they have swapped out the power poles. So really good news here. The recovery is already starting, and this is what the animals love to come in and nibble on. That's some flagging that the firefighters had used to mark this entrance area, and at the end of the incident all that stuff will come down.